Part 1. Prove this identity sine square theta times cos square theta should be identical to 1 over 8 bracket 1 minus cos 4 theta. All right. We'll need a couple of support from trigonometry here. Sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. We should know that. Also, we should know that cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, which means if I need to make sine square theta the subject, it will become 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, which also means that if I double this angle, I'll have to double this angle too. So cos square of 2 theta is equals to 1 minus cos 4 theta upon 2. This is an important uh, rule that we'll be using in this question. So I wanted to go through it at the start. Okay. So now let's prove this identity. If you notice that this has a cos x and a sin x, and this identity has a cos x and a sin x as well. So what we can do is write sine theta, cos theta, and let's write a whole square here. Okay. Now I need a 2 inside so that it becomes 2 sine theta for cos theta. So what I'll do, I'll write a 2 here and I'll write a 2 here. Okay. Now the denominator becomes a 4 because there's a square on it. So I'm going to put that on the side, 1 over 4. And inside I'm getting 2 sine theta cos theta whole squared, which is 1 by 4. This would be sine 2 theta whole squared. Okay. And we just showed that sine 2 theta whole squared is equals to 1 minus cos 4 theta upon 2. Let's write that. So 1 over 4, 1 minus cos 4 theta upon 2, which gives us 1 over 8 bracket 1 minus cos 4 theta, which was the desired result. Now let's do part 2, where it says hence means we have to use the previous result. So now to integrate from 0 to pi by 3, instead of integrating this, we'll integrate its result or the equivalent side, which is 1 by 8 bracket 1 minus cos 4 theta. We can write 1 by 8 outside because it's just the coefficient, and 1 minus cos 4 theta inside. Okay, d theta. All right, so 1 over 8 stays outside. Inside we get integration of 1 would be theta minus sign. Integration of cos fx is, for integrating it, it becomes sine fx over f prime x. So this becomes sine 4 theta over 4. Okay, the limits are pi by 3 and 0. So I'm now going to bring in the 8. So theta upon 8 minus sine 4 theta upon 32. And the limits are pi by 3 and 0. Okay. Now let's substitute the limits. Pi by 3 first and then 0. Okay, when we substitute pi by 3, we get a pi by 24 here. And then minus, and what is this becomes sine 4 pi by 3. What is that? And then we'll do upon 32. Let's find it out. Sine 4 pi by 3 over 32 is coming out to be negative under root 3 over 64. So we'll get a negative under root 3 over 64 here. And now we're going to substitute 0. So 0 over 8 is 0 and sine 0 is also 0. So we're getting pi by 24 plus under root 3 over 64, which will be the final answer.